In this video, I'll show you how to connect Higgsfield, an AI video and image generator, directly to Claude using its official MCP. By the end, you'll be able to ask Claude for a cinematic clip and get it back in the same conversation. MCP is the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a bridge. You type a request, Claude understands it, then hands the job to Higgsfield through the connector and brings the result back. You never leave the chat window. This is Higgsfield's own hosted connector, so setup is just assign an A circumflex euros. There's no API key to paste anywhere. It handles both images and video, and it runs on the credits already in your Higgsfield account. In Claude Desktop or Claude.ai, open Settings, then Connectors, and choose Add Custom Connector. Name it Higgsfield, paste in the connector URL, and hit Add. Good news on plans. The free Claude plan lets you add one custom connector, which is all you need here. A Circumflex Euros Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise just let you add more. Now click Connect. A browser tab opens asking you to sign into Higgsfield and approve access. That's the whole OAuth flow. A Circumflex Euros. Once you approve, the connector shows as connected and you're ready to go. If you're in Claude code instead, it's a one-liner, Claude MCP add -- transport HTTP, then the name Higgsfield and the same URL. After that, run /mcp inside Claude code to finish the sign-in in your browser. Here's the path. I just type, make a 5-second cinematic clip of a coffee cup steaming on a rainy windowsill at dawn. Claude routes that straight to Higgsfield and drops the finished clip right back into the conversation. Let's be honest about cost. Every generation spends Higgsfield credits, and the amount depends on the model you pick. A Circumflex Euros, a cheap image, is just a few credits, while a premium or 4K video can run anywhere from about 40 up to 90. The free tier gives you a limited allowance, so for serious volume you'll want a paid Higgsfield plan. Note that's a Higgsfield cost, not a Claude one. There's also a community self-hosted option on GitHub if you'd rather run it yourself. A Circumflex Euros, but it needs an API key and secret, and it's a smaller, less maintained project. For most people, the official connector is the easier path. So, to recap, add a custom connector pointing at the Higgsfield URL, sign in with OAuth, or use the one-line command in Claude code. A free Claude plan is enough for this one connector. Then just ask Claude for what you want. A Circumflex Euros, remembering each generation spends your Higgsfield credits. If this helped, subscribe for more MCP connector tutorials just like this one. These are made by the team at Remarketly. A Circumflex Euros. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.